Hey guys, it is time for the D&M Toy Club. Let's go! Hey kids, welcome back to D&M Toy Club. We are going to take a look inside our kids' toolbox and see what's in our cool toolkit. Let me get my gloves on and we'll go check it out. If you're not a member of the D&M Toy Club, if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. How do you hit the subscribe button? Well, it's that little red button right there. You just got to hit the subscribe button so you can check out all of our cool new videos every day. Let's take a look inside our toolbox. Cool, check out our toy truck. We also have toy trains and really cool toy boats and toy cranes. All kinds of construction vehicles and trucks. Let's see what else we got, guys. Cool construction toys. Those are hammers and measuring tapes. Very cool. Our cool educational video for kids also has surprise eggs. What's inside the surprise egg? Whoa, check out that cheetah. Those are amazing cats. Oh, surprise toys. What could this possibly be? Let's unwrap it and see. Could it be a piece to a cool kids workbench? We could put that tool on our cool kids tool belt as well. It's a plumber's wrench. Awesome. We gotta check out what's in our toy shop. With our cool toys from the Home Depot Kids Workbench. Wow, we could get the hammer, the Black & Decker hammer. Cool. Maybe a double-sided wrench that'll go in our kids' workbench. Really awesome. Or a hammer. That one's pretty cool. All right, let's see what else we got. Whoa, check out our new gloves. 2 different color gloves, yellow and orange. Wow, we're learning colors today. All right, let me see if I can magically make it come into my hands. There it is. It's the drill. It came right shoved up into my hands. That's pretty awesome. Look at that. Let's see what else I can make magically come up into my hands. Jump. There it is. That's a straight edge. Whoa, check out those toy cranes.